Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of update on the application of DeepSeek. You will click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we will search about DeepSeek and we click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of DeepSeek. Here you will uninstall your app and you will uninstall it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.